The mind force formula. Now, Ip Man told my master, keep Tai Gong, so lift from the base, keep your back straight, use no force, focus everything forward, and you will discover mind force. He then said, I believed him, and I practiced day and night. So there's the basic formula for you, Tai Gong, keep your back straight, use no force, focus everything forward, and you'll discover mind force. And the thing is that the key part, which a lot of people ignore and don't actually do, is the actual training day and night. Actually applying it and training it every day so that you become it, so that your center becomes open, so you become in alignment with higher frequencies of power, so that you start to use the forceless, your non-physical forceless part of your nature, so that you can cultivate the internal power and not use excessive muscular force to generate some type of power in your training. And this is the kind of hidden secret or hidden power in Wing Chun training. And the part that I wanted to highlight today was consistent daily practice. Making sure you practice as much as possible. Even if you just practice once a day, and in the morning it's usually better, then that will compound over time, because you'll start to retrain the mind, the body, the etheric body, the energetic body, and the emotions to be in alignment with mind power and the higher frequencies of energy so they can come through you. So daily consistent practice. And anyone who's ever gotten good at anything has applied this principle. They've practiced consistently, usually daily, over a long period of time, not just in its physical capacity, but even thinking about it as well. So, that's something you want to be keeping in mind as you put your training schedule together or your weekly plan for whatever it is you're aiming at, to put in a daily consistent practice and just make sure you do that. And then, after 3 months, 12 months, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, you'll have something really great. You'll have, really entered into whatever that skill is you're looking for, whether it's cultivating internal power or any type of skill. It requires that level of consistency. So for those of you who really do want to, cultivate your internal power, just choose a state training or a Kung Fu meditation or a form and practice it every day. And over time, you will embody that skill. Alrighty, any questions, you can put them in the comment section of this video, and I look forward to seeing you in our next one. Peace.